Hello guys, welcome to Generation Revel. In this video I'll be showing you how to change your Google Chrome theme on your phone into dark mode theme. So first let's head over to our Google Chrome app. Then click on the top right corner and head to settings down here, click on it and then scroll down and you'll find the theme settings over here. Click on it and then you'll find three options: system default, turn on dark theme when your device dark theme or battery saver is on. There's also light, which I turned on, and as you can see it's now gone to the light theme. And system default is because it's now dark because my phone is currently in dark mode, but if we turn that off, the theme of Google also goes back to light mode. It's actually pretty awesome to think about it, how awesome that is, that feature. Let's try the other options here, okay? Let's turn back my phone to dark mode, and as you can see, it's still on light because it's locked on light now. It's not system default. It's now on dark. If we turn it back to light mode, our phone, Google Chrome is still in dark because it's locked on dark mode. So that's a simple way to understand it if you don't understand how system default works. Basically, that's how you change your theme on your Google Chrome on your mobile, turn it to dark mode. Like, comment, and subscribe if this video helped you. Thank you for watching. This was Generation Revel saying bye bye.